Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. First, make sure your phone is charged and Bluetooth Plus location are enabled. This prevents disconnects during setup. Open the TVS Connect app and sign in with the number linked to your vehicle. The app must recognize your account. Once done, switch the bike ignition to on and keep your phone within 2 to 3 meters. This proximity ensures the module and phone detect each other reliably, which speeds up the next step. Now you complete the core pairing and sync process so data flows correctly. In the app, tap Add Vehicle, then scan the QR or enter the chassis/MA manually. This links that specific vehicle to your account. Follow prompts to confirm the PIN displayed on the dash or app and grant necessary permissions like location and notifications. These let the app track and alert. Once accepted, wait 30 to 60 seconds for initial sync. You should see live values such as speed, battery, and GPS position populate. Finish by validating settings and preparing for normal use so you trust the system. Calibrate any sensors the app suggests, then take a short test ride to confirm speed, distance, and GPS tracking match reality. Make sure you enable useful alerts like geofence, service reminders, and low battery notifications, and customize which messages you receive. If something goes wrong, first restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and retry pairing. If issues persist, re-enter the EMA or contact support for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.